Hi, my name is Rodrigo Ruggieri, also known as Chico, the lead pyrotechnician for this year's Blackout game. We've been building and building every year. So from a technical standpoint, this is the biggest show we do all year, and it requires the most people. We do the lighting towers, halftime blackout show in the field. We have the soccer field as well, loaded with fireworks. And we've got our normal intro plus the doghouse is all loaded. It's going to be outstanding. Just the on-site setup alone is 4 days for this show. Wow. But we've actually been prepping for a week at the shop. This is the crowning jewel of my year for sure. And we've been out here for almost, well, going on 3 days now, so it takes quite a crew and a lot of preparation to make the Blackout show happen. About half an hour we're going to test for continuity, make sure everything's properly pinned and we have no issues, and we'll be good to go for Friday. This is as big, if not bigger, than the Grey Cup is. The best in Canada right here. If you're not coming, you're missing out.